Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make easy chocolate chip muffins. We will start by combining all the wet ingredients in a single bowl. You will need 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to give your muffins that wonderful, warm flavor. This simple first step sets the foundation for perfect muffins. Next, in a separate bowl, we will prepare our dry ingredients. Whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. It is crucial to mix these thoroughly. Then, gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough muffins. Now for the best part, adding the chocolate chips. Gently fold in 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips, distributing them evenly throughout the batter. Next, spoon the batter into your prepared muffin liners, filling each one about 2/3 full. Bake these delightful treats in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes, until golden brown. Once baked, let your muffins cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and prevents them from sticking. After 5 minutes, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. While they are tempting to eat immediately, a little patience ensures the best texture. Now, you can enjoy your warm, homemade chocolate chip muffins.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.